Hi everyone, so we're already at Stratford, which is the festival center or festival city of Ontario, and it's known for its culture and arts. I think a huge chunk of the year it has a lot of plays dedicated to Shakespeare or Shakespearean plays or and other various theater and cultural works. So behind us is the Stratford Festival Theater. Later we'll be watching a play there that will be featuring in another video later. But for now, yun siya, yung nasa likod, and it's huge. Lalapit kami later. Right now malayo lang kami. So that's why mukha siyang small, but lalapit kami. And behind us is Ira's favorite places, parks.
It's a park.
Parks.
It's a lake
And a park. So
it's a Lakin Park.
Lakin Park. So yan, maglalakad-lakad lang kami here. Then later mag-video kami again separately kapag palapit na kami there sa theater. So okay, lakad-lakad lang. Very peaceful life here. And we have ducks. Oh, swim. So may lake and hinihinaan na namin yung voice. We don't know why actually. Parang malaki naman yung space and parang pwede namang mas malakas. It's just parang very serene here right now. Very quiet. And over there may parating na boat. Why? Poop ng duck? Oo nga no. Lamig no?
Yeah, there's sun but the air is so cold.
Totoo. Sarap.
I did not expect.
Na ganito ka cold. Imagine mo pag winter pa.
Yeah, oh my God.
Pero parang for me, sarap ng cold now.
I think dahil nasa lake din tayo, maybe.
Parang hindi naman masakit na cold. Parang masarap siyang cold. Then sinabi ni na tito and tita, marami daw mga retirees here. Because very peaceful. Then yun nga, jogging. Then nakakapanood sila ng place there. So palapit na tayo ng palapit. And
They
later
are
on,
wildfowl.
oh, please do not feed the wildfowl. Artificial feeding can cause poor nutrition, water pollution, delayed migration, and etc. etc. By law. Wow. So nilalamig sa Ira sa cold breeze. Palapit na kami ng palapit sa Festival Theater. Friendly mga people, no? Nagsasmile pa sila sa'yo. I mean, pati sa akin. So, hindi sila creep. Ano? May mga nagpo-football, oh. Football tayo dun, Ray, mamaya. Hindi ko marunong. Saka wala akong football. Yun, so papalapit kami ni Ira. Ayan, alamig. For me, pleasurable. But I think ginaw si Ira. Wow. Pleasurable na ngayon. Kanina sabi ko malamig. Oh. So, papunta kami sa bridge. After a bit, yeah. Welcome to Stratford Directory. So, directory map. Where are we?
You are here.
You are here. So we are Queen Street. Dun kami sa Festival Theater. Then may another one, Tom Patterson Theater. Tapos Veteran Drive. Ayan, papuntang York Street. May Lake Victoria. So nasa Lake Victoria tayo. Directory ng Stratford. Boat rentals, tour boat patio, 30 York Street.
May City Hall.
Doon yung City Hall.
Tara, lakarin
Doon yung City Hall ng
Malayo pa.
Stratford. Kaya pala, madaming time na nilagay sina tita and tito dito. Kasi ayun yung City Hall.
Okay.
Nakita ko yan sa Wikipedia eh. Ganda niyan eh. Tara, punta tayo sa City Hall.
Picture
Hello! So we are at the bridge. We walked 5 minutes for. We're gonna view
Victoria Lake.
Victoria Lake, yeah. So yun, punta na kami nun sa mga infrastructures naman.
Yeah, City Hall.
City Hall. It's our first sighting of a wild squirrel. Umakit oh. Sige, akit. Ay, natakpan. Ang puno. Ay, nasa taas na siya. Kumakain ng nuts.
Rolling squirrel.
Hey, bye squirrel.
Bye squirrel.
Okay. On the way to the City Hall that we are trying to look for, we are crossing the street. Wait lang, dito muna Ray. I want to see the Stratford Art in the Park. So that's where we're going now. And there it is. Art in the Park. Not sure if nagsasell sila or fini-feature lang nila art nila.
I think so. Wow.
And it was actually not until the 1960s.
Ang galing.
Well, when they put this on, there's a pretty good chance.
Yung ano.
The bridge. Lake Victoria.
Yeah.
Grabe. Scenic everywhere. Sir Roger muna. Hello. Miss Michelle Jameson.
Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Here's Michelle.
Is it okay if I record your work?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. They look great.
Thank you.
Oh wow, they're cats.
Almost all cats. There's about maybe 10% that are not cats.
Okay.
It's for those people who have allergies. No, I'm just
Okay.
Do you have cats?
I have 2 of them. Yeah. So, but they don't get along very well. Otherwise, I would probably have more cats if they did.
Okay.
Are they your inspiration?
Yes. So any of the cats that look a little bit angry is my
Yeah.
one cat, and the cats that look very surprised, like this mug, is like my other cat.
Where is the angry cat?
Lovely.
I can see the angry cat.
Maybe this mug up here.
Yeah.
Just a little bit, like, or this one here.
Oh, I can see it from the eyes.
Yes, it's all in the eyes.
Do you also feature your work elsewhere or just here in
Right now,
Art in the Park?
Right now, this is like everything that I have.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
they're so
yeah.
pretty.
Thank you. It takes a long time to make ceramics, so it's
How long?
like from the beginning of when I sculpt something to when I glaze and it's a finished product, it's between 4 to 6 weeks. Because once I sculpt something, I have to let it dry for 2 weeks, and then there's 2 firings that I have to paint it, then 2 firings it goes through before it's finished. So
Okay.
Wow, it takes a long time.
it does, yeah. It's a patient process, and everything can go wrong in between.
So
yeah.
what do you do with the unfinished products, or
So sometimes things will crack, or you know, so I can't sell all that stuff.
Yeah.
So I've got a box
Okay.
of things now that's like what they call seconds. So sometimes people will have like a seconds sale. So, and you know, sometimes you could use like a cracked mug or something for a planter or something like that, where you can't really use it for as a mug anymore, kind of thing. So yeah.
Okay, so do you still work for the theater now?
I've taken.
I mean, based here? Yeah.
Not anymore. I've
Oh,
taken
not
a leave of
anymore.
absence. So,
Ah, okay.
yeah.
So I work for the theater.
Yeah. So you worked for more than 2 decades already
Yeah.
in the field.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. It's a lot of fun.
Okay.
Yeah, and I teach it as well. So
Oh.
What do you do in the theater?
I'm a prop maker.
Yeah.
Prop
So
maker.
that's making like masks, armor, furniture,
Oh, wow.
sculptures, like anything that an actor picks up and touches is essentially what we make. Yeah.
Okay, amazing. And do you also live here?
I do. I live in Stratford. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I think I'll actually be attending York University too in a
Oh, are
bit.
you? Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah, but this August. So
What are you studying?
I'll be studying Masters of Law.
Oh,
of
amazing.
Canadian Common Law.
Good
so
for you.
so how was your experience in York?
I loved it.
Ah, okay.
But I mean, I went 20 years ago, so
Oh, 10 years
I don't know
ago.
what it's like now.
Ah.
But it was a great experience. I got a lot of.
Hello, so I ran out of storage, so our video with Michelle got cut short, but she's a lovely and kind lady, and so this is the continuation of our video shoot at Art in the Park here in Stratford. So it's scenic everywhere. Overload of beauty.
Yeah, actually. It's nice that they put it here in front of the lake.
Yeah. So I think that will be the end of our video at Art in the Park, because there's too much art in the park. I think we're halfway done. And huh? Hindi naman, I mean. Hi, good afternoon. Good day.
Heard that?
Sorry. We're just recording and it's our first time here, and there's too much beauty. We appreciate it.
So nice.
Okay.
Oh yes, certainly. I was
Okay.
gonna bring it over.
So I think I'm funny everywhere. Okay, so well, that's really it. I think it's goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.
Hello my love, we are walking to the City Hall. So we've been walking for around 15 minutes now and another 15 minutes to go. This is
Pala yung Tom Patterson eh.
oh my god, oh no, nako po, kung yun yung katabi din sa map, I think hindi 15 minutes yung City Hall, but hopefully. So this is another theater from the festival theater a while ago. So the instructions was to go to that bridge over there and then turn. So bye Snoopy. On our never-ending journey to the City Hall, we have stumbled upon statues. Statues of who, my love?
We will find out. World War I.
Oh my god, sorry. They gave their lives to break the power of the sword. Memorial pala. Akala ko parang Shakespearean from outside. Okay. After I think around half an hour of walking, we've finally found the City Hall. And is it worth it? You'll find out, Chas. Ito na. Ay, napindot ko yung umbrella natin. Sorry. Sorry, gamitin natin.
Rocky Mountain.
There it is. It's within our view. Ayan na, the City Hall. Oh wow, ganda. Ganda, parang castle looking thing. City Hall, Stratford, Ontario. Wow. Ganda. Okay. Forma. Parang siyang moat. Moat. Parang siyang castle without a moat. But a castle nonetheless. Okay. We've reached the end of our City Hall journey.
Yeah.
Now all that's left is take pictures with it.
Let's
Ciao.
go there because it's so hot.
The picture tayo. One more close-up video of the Stratford City Hall. Okay, goodbye.